Why, checking guys, Strictly Lucky here. Welcome to episode 2. 2? Yes. Episode 2 of my How to Survive Let's Play. I'm doing this as a sort of precursor to being able to play How to Survive 2. I'm really keen for that one. And we heard a sound of gurgle is the best way to describe it. And let's go see what the gurgle. Hey! Hey! Yeah, fuck you. Fuck you. Get out of my way. Yeah. Just annihilating them with this thing. I love it. I love it. I got this feeling on it. Go away. Go away. Alright. Now, if I recall, Flint is usually just on the water's edge. You're supposed to be able to press R1, and it bloody well changes to your ranged weapons. Yes. Am I over that? Oh, scared the shit out of me, mate. Ah, there's one. Hey. Yeah, dude. Back off. That's right. You don't know me. I know me. Oh, I only got 2 of my arrows back. Pointed stick. Haha, gay. Alright, this is all good. Mate! No, don't run. Me and Kovac are talking, thank you. Yeah. Rude. God. Zombies are so rude. Talking to someone. Alright, I'll talk to you from this angle. Senpai. I didn't mean to break in there. I need the fuel. I know you're Kovac. Yeah. Kovac-Senpai. I don't know what that means. Get in a stranger's boat? Heck yeah! I don't think you understand how much fun that sounds like. Right. Yeah, Kovac's been here. Yeah, no. Mate. I got like barely any of my arrows back when I shoot zombies. Also, it's nearly daytime. I should go back to sleep. Please don't wash me away, waves. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be a dick. And pole. Wooden axe. Well, I mean, I could make that. Or I could go Kovac's Island. Yeah, Kovac Land. To Homo. To Homo? That looks like that says to Homo. What makes bombers more dangerous than the average zombie? They explode. Yeah. They're basically boomers. 15 bonus XP. 'Cause that's how we roll. Pop. Feathers. I love my feathers. Yes, some things. Pointed sticks. Oh, that's right. This is the island I get like, what's it called? Army helmets. Just like so many army helmets. This island's more army helmet than person. Islands are also not people, as I seem to recall. Because I'm smart. Ah. No, it's fine. Your place is pretty. Alright. Level up, level up. This way. Nope. This one. Oh, what do I want? Speeds up reloading. Incendiary arrows. Shield boosters. Slows the fall of food and drink gauges. See, that's really good. But what do I want at the bottom ones? Well, I like the quick aim. The quick aim's really good. Oh, speed reloading's actually really good too. I just realized what that said. Like, I even read it out. Molotov. Molotov. I love all these, tombstones that they show you other people. Where did he go? Mate, don't just leave me. This is your island. I'll steal your stuff.
Hey, survivor!
Yeah, don't worry. Get away. I really like the water effects on the character. Actually looks really cool. Like, you can see the water sort of bouncing off him a little bit. He also looks like he's probably very soaked and not really having a great day. Your day sucks. Right. Nah. I need food, I know. I know. Jesus. I mean, Kovac-Senpai. I know this stuff. Soldier helmet. Gonna put it on now. Do I have any flint? Oh, I totally do. Now you know, let's put the helmet on. Army man. Army firefighter. Taking all the soldier helmets. For no reason. Yeah. You got anything on you? Nah. Oh, womp. Oh, brutal. Brilliant. Brutal. Brilliant. Brutalant. I'd actually take this moment to do a big shout out to the movie Train to Busan. I didn't know if I was going to record a zombie game today because that is a zombie movie that made me cry. I don't cry at things. Okay, I do cry at things. I cried at the end of My Girl, but you're heartless if you didn't. But, yeah, oh my god, that movie, was so good. I'm just gonna sit here and think about the movie while you watch this. Kovacs rules. Chapter 6. Eating.
If you wish to have a chance at defeating the zombies, you have to take care of your body's basic needs.
Like
the basis of
pooping?
all survival is drinking, eating, and sleeping.
And pooping.
This chapter is about eating.
I'm actually just gonna skip it. To be honest, I want to get through this decent speed. Oh, I should probably eat those. And nom. Feel great. I've eaten. I do.
Follow me. You still.
Mission complete. This is the easiest XP in a game. Aside from ones that give you XP for starting. And kapow. Aw, nothing in there. Jerk boy. Excuse me. Alright. I'm gonna do the quick changeover of, changing my recording from one half of the video to the other, because I'm still on the PlayStation limitations. And, yeah. So, see, I did the changeover there. I want to see if it is smooth enough for me to stop mentioning it every time.
The second thing.
I have water.
Jump here.
Yeah, I know.
Water.
Get water. Drink water. Water's good. Water everywhere, and not a drop to drink. Alright. Watch out. Bitches. You're a bunch of bitches. Give me your hat. I'm a hat collector. That's what I am now. Collect hats. You'll never stop me collecting hats. One thing I'm actually aiming to do soon, hopefully tomorrow night from when I'm recording this, which will be the night before this comes out, so this video will come out on a Thursday. I will hopefully buy on a Wednesday night rather, a new microphone, like a proper microphone, so I can use one. And I'm thinking of probably getting a capture card too, because I found out what the problem was with the bitrate. it was an issue, with the video, like there's a problem with it. The problem is that the PlayStation records at 720p 30 frames, and meanwhile most things are playing higher. I think that's the problem. And people are like, I've had someone go like, hey, why is the quality so dumb or something? But they used it. Oh, go away. But they used a technical term for it. I don't know what the term was. But I figured out the problem with that, so I'm going to hopefully get a capture card and a microphone and up the quality of these. And I'm going to use my really fancy Sennheiser headphones to use the audio, which is actually amazing when you're playing Skyrim. You just hear the wind whistling past your ears. Oh, yes, I have more empty water bottles. Fantastic. How much water do I have now? 3 water bottles. It's really good. I'm not supposed to just drink water. Slurp. Ah. And let's watch this.
Kovac rules. Chapter 7.
I love Kovac.
Drinking. If you wish to have a chance at defeating the zombies, you have to take care of your body's basic needs.
Don't tell me how to do it.
The basis of all survival is drinking,
Eating,
and sleeping.
and
This
poop.
chapter is about drinking.
Everybody poops. There's a book
Symptoms
about it.
from lack of water include dizziness and
Wiggle,
headaches.
wiggle, wiggle, wiggle,
This will
wiggle.
affect your ability to concentrate and make critical decisions.
I mean, that's true in real life as well. See, now I'm just super
Do not
thirsty.
drink from the sea.
So I'm
It
gonna
causes dehydration.
drink water. Don't mind the sound.
Do not drink from the swamp. It is riddled with disease.
Ah, that's better.
Find fresh water wells and store as much as you can. You will
Yeah.
find many containers here. Use them to store water.
I will.
You will find some fresh fruit growing. You can eat this, but
I
be
still have to
careful
eat them
about
because there's
how
actually a little
much.
side mission for that, so I can.
Survivor with the shits is
I don't want
not
feathers
the
though.
best.
I'll just get them there for me. My fruit. Get your own fruit. Jerks. My fruit. I do stuff like that. I say stuff like that. Like, I'm an adult who pays taxes. Who lets me do things? Oh, see, I'm an adult, not a grown-up. There's a difference. Grown-ups do stuff like go to wine tastings and don't get drunk. I don't understand how people could do. Oh, zombies! Pay attention! Pay attention, Trev. There are zombies on Zombie Island. But yeah, so we had Train to Busan. Oh, so good. Actually, I'm visiting my brother and my sister-in-law tomorrow, and my sister-in-law runs the Bog Chicken, the vegan soul food thing in Brisbane. Check it out if you get a chance. Instagram, Facebook, the Bog Chicken. Bog as in the Star Trek thing. But, yeah, go over there, test out a bunch of their food, because that's awesome, and I like food a whole bunch. Yeah. But yeah, it's like things like vegan chicken and waffles and cool stuff like that, so yeah. But I'm going to make her watch Train to Busan tomorrow, and maybe some other horror movies, because I don't get to do much on Halloween. Ah, cool, get to build a gun. I'm gonna build a gun. You won't let me keep it though, you dick. I'm sorry, Senpai, I didn't mean that. Do. Just gonna start taking your stuff. And I'm gonna break open this shed. Cooked meat, I like that recipe. That's a good recipe. Cool. Cool, that's everything. That's everything.
Well,
Build a gun.
I will check your.
Oh. He's basically just telling me to build a gun. And he's also just telling me what's in this thing. That one I didn't understand too much, but I like Kovac. He's a good character. Oh, I did say Kovac's rules. I always say Kovac's rules. Yeah, I roughly got just after this, a little bit after here is where I got up to. But now I've done it in like 2 episodes rather than like 4 it took me before.
The better your weapon, the better your chances of killing the zombies.
Shotgun.
You can and should combine found objects to create deadlier weapons.
I'll keep this one running just because I really like the
To make
animation
a
at the end.
shotgun, select a harpoon grip from your staff.
Yep.
Choose Combine and select the diving tag.
Oh, I need to
You
get
now
all of
have
those.
a new item, but it is not a complete weapon. Combine this item with a flared tube, and next with a hardware
The great thing about
box.
these little video
You have
inserts is
created your
I can
very
grab
own
some water
shotgun.
while it's going.
For
My
ammunition,
throat is so
metal
dry
scrap
and just because
found
I've been
on dead
talking for
bodies
like
will be okay.
4 hours straight, basically. So yeah, I've been
There are
recording
many
for
ways you can combine items.
roughly 40
So
minutes.
choose wisely.
No, more than that. But I've been recording for ages before, so my throat is just so dry. So yeah, I was gonna record a bunch of episodes tonight. I have a whole bunch ahead ready to go. All good. That's probably a good thing I'm not, because then I can buy the microphone and capture card, and hopefully on this episode's release date, Thursday should have a better release. If not, it'll have similar quality, but the following week will be much better. So I'm really keen to get like some, good stuff going, and hopefully make you guys some better quality videos so that things just look nicer. I can't move things in the inventory. Excuse me. Oh, I thought I leveled up.
Good.
Let's do this.
Of course. Let's
Whoa! Gonna chase Senpai. Gonna help out Senpai. Killing lots of zombies. I'm a firefighter with an army hat. Boo doo doo.
The third most
Boo doo doo
important
doo
danger
doo
is
Jack.
fatigue. Exhaust. If you don't
Go
run,
find
of
the sleepy
course.
place.
Oh, one. To sleep safe, there is a secure.
Yes, I know. Go empty the shack out. Eat shit, Bob Ross. Sorry, it's actually from a meme. I have nothing against Bob Ross. I liked how friendly he was to everybody. Bam. Let's just open this up. Let's go crazy. Let's go crazy Broadway style. Yeah, screw you, hippie. Oh, straight and bloody half. Mate. You annihilated him. Meow. Oh, I'm really glad I took that reload faster pack. I'd have probably gotten hit then. Yeah. Oh, get out of it, zombies. Not in the mood. What'd I say? What'd I say? That's right. Stay down. Punk ass bitch. Yo, nothing but a bunch of punks. Who keeps growling at me? It's rude. You? You. Now, if I get him to go to sleep quickly, I can, Hey, Sid game. And, oh, more fabric. That's good. And save. Cool. Well, guys, I will leave this episode here. Probably a little bit shorter than I wanted to do, but I think this is a good leaving point, just so I can pick it up again in a second. So, thanks for watching, guys, and as always, stay safe. Bye!